Let's dive right in. Ever wonder about the profound secret hiding behind an everyday word?
Billions say Rab every single day, but do we actually know what it means beyond basic translation?
At its core, the Arabic root RBB literally means nurturing something, step by step toward total perfection.
It's wild. Early Arabs even used this root for rain-bearing clouds and the careful tanning of leather.
Historically, the Aramaic rabbi meant father, metaphorically. Later on, literal interpretation sparks some massive theological shifts.
Islam completely rejects this. Basically, gender implies being created and having limits. That doesn't fit divinity.
The paradigm here is super simple. The ultimate creator neither begets nor is born. He needs nobody.
Fast forward to daily life. This exact root applies to stepchildren, lovingly nurtured in a household.
Now picture a mom frantically tackling her baby away from a burning fire or a deadly cliff. Would you ever accuse that mom of restricting her baby's freedom? No way, right?
So here's the huge takeaway. Divine rules aren't restrictions. They are literally supreme acts of nurturing.
To actually be a Rab, you must provide for needs, constantly observe, and hold protective authority. You also need inherent rights, total obedience, and the ability to gather everyone together in the end.
So what material benefit does the creator actually get out of all this? Literally zero.
Look, human nurturers usually want pride, a legacy, or a paycheck. God needs absolutely nothing from us.
The cosmic truth here? His entire lordship is driven 100% by pure, unconditional love. This completely explains why the very first Quranic revelation wasn't just, read in God's name.
It was, read in the name of your Rabb. He introduced himself as nurturer first. Shouldn't we,